Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Several changes in the behavior of volcanoes can signify that it is about to erupt. If there are indications of volcanic unrest, then monitoring is heightened to gather evidence of possible eruption. These are needed in disseminating early warning precautions. Here are the signs of an impending volcanic eruption. There are changes in geochemical and geophysical characteristics of a volcano, such as increase in volume and temperature of gas composition, and increase in the frequency of volcanic quakes. The color of steam emission changes from white to gray due to ash. Also, the crater glows due to the presence of magma at or near the crater. Deformation of the ground because magma intrusion and appearance of fractures on the sides of volcano can be observed. There is also an increased frequency of landslides and rock falls from cliffs. Moreover, increase in the extent of drying up of vegetation around the volcano's upper slopes becomes noticeable. Continuous increase in the temperature of hot springs, wells, and lakes on craters near the volcano. There is also noticeable variation in the chemical content of springs and crater lakes around the volcano. Before the occurrence of a volcanic eruption, know the signs of an impending eruption. Second, know the community's safety plans. Always monitor the volcano updates and watch out for advisories and warnings. Know the location of the evacuation site and the fastest and safest way to go there. Prepare your family's go bag containing items needed for survival. During a volcanic eruption, stay away from danger zones. When notified, immediately evacuate to safer grounds. Assist in evacuating children, pregnant women, PWDs, and older people. Cover your mouth with wet cloth and wear protective goggles. Keep your pets in their shelter or inside to avoid them from inhaling ash. Stay away from rivers and streams for possible lahar flow. After the eruption, remain alert and be cautious. Leave the evacuation area only when authorities say it is safe. Wear masks when cleaning. Scrape the accumulated ash in roofs to prevent collapse. Shake loose ash from plants before watering.